Hello friends, my name is Andre and this is the Man of All Work channel. To denote the depth of drilling, you need to wind the masking tape on the drill bit. Everyone knows that. But leaving a small tail, we will know exactly when the given depth will be reached. This we will see by the sawdust scattered in all directions. How to determine where the blockage is in the pipes? We take potato. This will be our blockage. Put it into the pipe and note its location for control. Next, we take a concealed wiring detector and start searching. First mark, then second, and welcome, everything converges. Old measuring tapes. Do not waste them without having removed the hook. It's just a miracle holder for any tool, which it can be screwed to. For example, to a hammer. And now you can safely hang it on your belt. By the way, there is another hack. We take 2 curtain rings, fasten them and bind them together, and get an excellent hammer holder. How to apply WD-40 delicately, without splashing it in all directions. We collect the penetrating lubricant into a syringe, and gently deliver it to a hard-to-reach place where no fountain of spray of this product is needed. Subscribe to the channel who has not had time to do it yet, and press the bell. Good luck and with charity for all.